Kayo online thamai, kayo online thamai, nadong shadong, hangni phila banyo, baro ki jaitiar, play ya ke mobile, but install ya ke nega app, ha ke mobile jong pi, bantip company, phila ru ban phone, ha kini ki number, kendai lai, nriu, prasan, iwei pra, not iwei. Ka kenhun seng bhalang, na Garo Hills, ka Garo Indigenous Development Federation, Kelapan pau ya kejing song diau ya kejing lailan kitrok ki Dewiong ha ke jylla khamdam ha ki Thain Garo Hills kate kejing persya kelawan ki bobon ki paitba bar ki seng nong khayi ki trai kali banong nya kali ka Golpara district coal exporter batrok owners association lingba ke jinglet jung ujor ke jongki ka bakila pha shu menteri ramba ke jylla u konrat ki sama men ha ka khandai tarik banai kala lingkon lingba ka seng Garo Indigenous Development Federation Kabala Ilam du George and Sangma ha ke jinglai ujor jangki shaka sarkar ya ke jinglai lailan bat khayi Beain yo Dewiong ha ka Kyrteng jong ka kok banyo panya yo tu da kriu sham kabu kalong ba ka sarkar ka dei banle e ya kitu ke badan kiti ya kate ka kam namar ka wanra ka jingdo nong ya ke jylla ha ba pen sngo ya kate ka jing khayi Beain jong kok ha ka Kyrteng jong Dewiong haringkat ke jinglom khajana Beain da kriu sham kabu na kaleng u George and Sangma upadiu sekretari ke GIDF ulapan sngo ba ke jinglai lailan palat ke kali ke Dewiong kala penyap ya ke bijaya linti ke padi kat kum ke jing betha jong sarkar omtang badan ke jing lailan ke jingdon ke nonglom pisa Beain da kriu sham kabu ha ke dor ke bahe tang na gawe ke trok kalong Shillong arpo pra hajar saus patingka kala wanra ke jingdo nong ya ke sarkar.
So last time we have given a letter to Chief Minister also regarding this issue that illegal collection has been going on in at NS62, but still there is no initiative has been taken from the state government. On 16 and 17 Saturday and Sunday, hundreds of trucks or more than 400 trucks has been plied without challan and with challan. Because after the press conference they have already been been passed off all the vehicles before the inquiry. Then yesterday also 18 to 16 type trucks has been plying with this coal in the name of coke, but there is no initiative taken, neither there is a check from the DMR or MBI. It's a great embarrassment to the government again. So I ask the respected government, Meghalaya government, to take a strict action against this illegal plying trucks of in the name of coke, which is a great loss for the Meghalaya government also, revenue also. It's a leakage revenue. So the Golpara Truck Owner Association is very saddened, and they are very feel saddened because they are great loss in business also because of this illegal collection, and even for the coal owners as well as for the exporters also. So my request is that if the government should take a necessary against early as possible. Once again, I request to the state government of Meghalaya to take immediate action against the illegalities occurring in our Meghalaya state. From the truck drivers and owners that the illegal collection from Nongal PS has taken 2,000, Ningkrap outpost 500, Dubu police outpost 500, Daruguri police patrolling 200, Rongjeng police patrolling party 300, MBI Romal checkpoint 1000, Romal police patrolling 300. All these are illegally collecting and hampering to the coal truck owners. Especially it comes to total 1,28,000. With P-form it comes to around 2 lakhs, nearest to 2 lakhs. It is a great loss for the government and even for the owners also, because these collections, and even this NDB DMR is getting collecting 9,000 to 10,000. Even if they have a challan also. Why they are collecting, I don't know for what reason they have been collecting from the truck drivers. 9,000 to 10,000. This is a great embarrassment to the government. And I don't know this department, DMR in charge, has been showing the revenue or not, I don't know.
Yes, they have factories. Illegal factories are also there and registered factories are there. But actually, from where these coals are coming and how the coke has becoming a coke, the question is arising: how these cokes are coming? As per from the reliable sources that illegal mining is occurring, that's what the coke has been producing. Now daily we can see in NH62 they are flying from this Chalang via Athiabari, Ryangdo to Assam. Again from Chalang via Rongjeng, Dainadubi to Assam. They are carrying almost 60 tons of coals in the name of coke, but there is no coke. But I don't know, the department is not taking initiative against them. This illegal should stop. It should not continue. If the state government doesn't take any initiative against these illegalities, I'll move to court by 2, 3, 4 days. If the government doesn't take after this.
This memorandum you have already submitted?
Yeah, I've already submitted on 15 also to the state government of Meghalaya, to the chief minister also, and to the home minister also, as well as NGT also. Then again on 19th, the Golpara Truck Owners Association has again given me a complaint regarding this collection of illegal collection has been going on in this NS62. Yesterday also more than 2,400 tons has been supplied through this NS62, but none of the department has checked them. Fresh coal has been exported yesterday also. I have requested Colonel Sama also, Honorable Chief Minister also, but he is not taking initiative seriously. So if he's not taking initiative seriously this issue, then I have to put this case to the court. Already sent some proof also. They know the proof also. They have seen the proof also. They have visited the proof also. But they are not taking action. Why? I don't know that. 50% of the black sheep NGOs are also involved in this, and the local peoples are also involved as a middleman. And there are political peoples who are using as some middlemen as their invitees and all. For that reason, that other NGOs also, if you pressure also, cannot stop them also.